Hi, welcome to Introduction to Social Work. My name is Dr. Dalton Conley. I'm going to go over a brief introduction to our online course. This is what your Blackboard shell should look like. The orientation video that you're watching right now will be housed right here. Each week, if you go to course content, there will be a weekly tab for you to look at that will have the week number and then additional information about assignments that you are to do each week. One of those weekly assignments will be a discussion post. This is the one for this week. This is your orientation discussion post. It's worth 10 points. You will respond to this thread by answering who you are, describe yourself in a few sentences, give us something about your background. Is there anything interesting or unusual about yourself? What are your interests outside of school? What are some achievements that you're proud of? And why are you taking this course? You will notice that you can read your classmates' posts. After you post yours here, you're going to respond to at least 2 other classmates' posts to get full participation. All of those every week will be housed where it says discussion posts. If you have questions for me, you can post those right here so that everyone can see them and the answers that I have. If you tab on Introduction to Social Work, this is where there's going to be announcements, things for you to look at. Weekly schedule. This is the schedule of what you are supposed to do every week. You can see that we're talking about the syllabus, social work, education, and Blackboard. You're doing an orientation video, and you will do your first introduction post. For next week's assignment, you will read chapter 1 and do a discussion post. During the 3rd week, you're going to read chapter 2, and you will have a test, your first quiz over chapter 1, and a discussion post, as well as videos for you to read and discuss. All of your discussion posts will be over your videos, as well as content in the chapters in the book. The tests that you take, they're quizzes. There will only be 10 of them. 10 questions on each one. You will have 15 minutes to take the quiz. You can see everything that we are going to do in this class schedule. If you'd like to see the syllabus, and I do suggest that you read it very carefully, here is the information about how to get in touch with me, my office phone number, where I encourage you to call and leave me messages, as well as my email. The only way that you can communicate with a professor on online course is via email or phone. I am going to set up a remind so that you can also text me. If you're not familiar with that, you will be able, you will have instructions about how to set that up. All of your Blackboard material will be posted every Monday, along with a link for any assignment that is due. All assignments, papers, and quizzes are due by 11:59 on Sunday night. Again, 11:59 on Sunday night. You're going to do a journal critique, an agency paper. There will be quizzes and your discussion posts. These are the point value for the class. There will be 13 practice tests worth 130 points and 12 discussion posts worth 120 points. You will have a comprehensive final that is worth 50 points, as well as these two assignments. There is a journal critique and an agency paper. I will post the video for the journal and how to utilize the library tomorrow. These are your agency rubrics. Your rubrics for the journal critique paper as well as the agency paper. Starting an online class is can be very confusing the first couple of weeks. That's why we're going to take this very slow until you get the hang of it. The way that you are going to master this course and be successful at it is by asking questions, reading the syllabus. Everything that you need to know about this class will be contained in the syllabus. I am also a resource for you. If you have a question, the only way that I'm going to know that you do is that you notify me via email, a phone call, or text me on Remind. I look forward to working with each of you. My job is to help you be successful in this course, and I take that very seriously. It is a fun course. You're going to get to know people in a different way. It is a course that will question your values, as well as the reasons why you think the things that you do. One of the fundamental principles of social work is that we treat everyone with dignity and respect. We do the same thing in our classrooms. Feel free to disagree with someone as long as you do it respectfully. Not everyone is going to have the same opinion as you, and we are going to be discussing some very difficult and controversial topics. Again, I look forward to working with each of you, and please let me know if you have any questions.